cuties, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can make these cool Tom and Friends stickers all by yourself. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we will do this in 3 steps. Step 1. Sign up to Pinterest. Reason? Google provides you a very limited amount of pictures. On the other hand, Pinterest contains so many amazing pictures that you will instantly fall in love with the app. You can either download the app from Play Store or sign up using Google. Step 2. Download your favorite pictures. Search Tom and Friends mini PNG on Pinterest. The best part about Pinterest is that you can make a collection of your favorite pictures without downloading them. You have to just click on the pin option here and save to the board you have created. Now that you have collected many pics, you can download only the ones which you think are best. Step 3. Use Sticker Maker app. Open the app, click on this plus button, select the picture you want. Now you can add as many stickers as you want to this pack. Now click on the export button and select WhatsApp. Woohoo! You made your own sticker pack. Now surprise your friends with this. Wow.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through.
Wasn't this very easy? Then hit the like button and comment down. So it's now time to give someone a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Jayalakshmi Nayak. This girl has been commenting on my videos since a long time, and now she has started a YouTube channel of her own, so you can go and check it out. Do you want a shout out like this? Then comment down. See you soon.